Good morning, everybody. I'm getting ready to do my very first corned beef. It's a corned beef brisket. I bought it pre-marinated at the store. Haven't ever done it before. Going to throw it on the Silverbac, smoke it for about 4 hours, see how it turns out. So the pit's turned on. We're waiting for it to warm up. I'll see you outside. All right, hey guys, I'm out at the pit. I've got my Silverbac set to 275. That's where I'm going to cook at today. It's about 38 degrees here in southern Ohio. Sun's up, looking nice out. I seasoned this with Grilla AP rub, the all-purpose rub, and then I added pepper to that, black pepper. It's been sitting like that for about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. And pit's not quite up to temperature, but it's close enough. I'm going to go ahead and stick it on, and we'll come back and check on it in a little bit. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half since I put the brisket point on. You can't see that, but the temperature is holding steady at 275 degrees. It's the first time I've been out here since the last video. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. We're good. We're starting to bark up, which is nice. Got a couple of tasters over here. I didn't have to trim that very much, but I did take a couple of little pieces off. I'm gonna let this cook for about another hour or so, and then I'm gonna move it into a pan with some water and kind of braise it to the end. It's kind of following Malcolm Reed's recipe. If you don't know Malcolm, you should check out his channel, How to Barbecue Right, on YouTube. But he has a corned beef and cabbage recipe, so I'm gonna try to do that to finish it off and keep it nice and tender. So this is my corned beef point. It's been on for, like I said, about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 45 minutes. I've got my probe here on invert. I'm going to go ahead and just get that in there. Just watch it for the next little bit. Back in about an hour. Okay, well, so I had to go pick up my son from school, and while I was gone, I realized I'd committed a cardinal sin, which is I let the battery on my Inkbird die. So temperature probe is not working right now. I did check it, and I've gotten a little warmer than I wanted it to. It's up to about 170. I was going to move it over to the pan at 160, but we got up to 170. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the pan now, put some water in the pan, and put some foil over the top and put it back on. I'm going up to about 200, so it won't have as much time in the water as I wanted, but we'll see how it turns out. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. So far so good. Okay folks, we are up to temperature, about 201, 202 degrees. Pull my probe out. Get some steam out of there. There we have that. There's the meat at 201 degrees. Going to try to pick it up. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, probably not. I'm going to put it back on the grill for about 15 minutes and let that tighten up a little bit, and then I'm going to rest it for about 2 hours, and then we're going to have it for dinner. So that's what we got. I'll show you when I pull it off the pit in about 20 minutes. first look, guys. Here it is off the pit. About 5.5 hours. And wrap it in foil and let it rest for a little bit and have it for dinner. See you later.